Hi there, students. Rancor, a noun. Rancorous, the adjective. Rancorously, the adverb. Okay, so rancor. Rancor is a feeling of hate, a feeling of ire or continuing anger towards somebody, normally about something they've done in the past. So they didn't treat me very well, but I feel no rancor towards them. I don't feel any rancor against them. So bitterness, hatred, yeah? I don't bear a grudge against them. Okay, so rancor, bitter, deep-seated ill will, yeah? When you really don't like somebody or something, a rancor. Animosity. It's when you bear a grudge. There's antagonism or bad blood. He was filled with rancor after they fired him. Yeah? So bitter, long-lasting resentment. He looked at me rancorously, and I was really worried about why he was looking at me like that. Yeah? His enmity, his hostility, yeah, was extremely strong. Yeah, I still feel rancor about what they did to me. I feel rancor about this company that took my money and then didn't give me anything in return. I could see rancor in her eyes when she shouted at me. Okay, so notice as well, rancor, C-O-U-R, R-A-N-C-O-U-R in British English, but in American English, R-A-N-C-O-R. It's one of these British American spelling things. Yeah, it's when you feel spite, yeah, inveterate hatred. Yeah, you're really angry with someone. Normally because they've done something to you in the past and you just can't forget it, so you feel rancor about it. Yeah, resentfulness, long-standing hatred, yeah, resentment. So don't feel any rancor about this, because it will just burn you up inside. He's a very rancorous person. He always holds a grudge and feels bitter about things. Okay, so this is the idea of rancor. When somebody's angry with you and they really just want to get revenge, they detest you. Normally when there's a civil war, rancor between the two sides continues for many years. Yeah, there is a rancorous feeling. Okay, there you go with the adjective. Okay, so rancor, deep-seated hatred. Yeah, they feel bitterness towards someone. I feel a lot of rancor towards my company because of the way they treated me when things got more difficult. When things were difficult for them, I helped them out, but I feel rancor because at the first sign of problems, they fired me. Okay, so it's not a good thing to feel rancor. If you are rancorous, then you've always got this hatred inside you, burning you up. Okay, so now formality. I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it in an informal conversation. Although I think I might use the phrase to bear a grudge, to hate, to detest, something like that. And then as to origin, well, there was a Middle English word, rancor, with the same meaning. And it comes through French from Latin, not Latin, Latin. Rancor meaning something that's rancid, yeah, from ranceo, to be rotten or putrid. Okay, so the word, it comes from something rotten. It's a rotten feeling inside that is just this continuing anger. Okay, so please, I beg you not to feel any rancor about this, because I know your situation has been unfortunate, but there was no malice aforethought. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Rancor, rancorous, rancorously.